Hey guys, Aaron Williams here at MarineMax Jupiter, sitting on the all-new Sea Ray SDX 230. This boat is equipped with a white 250 horsepower Mercury V8, and I'm excited to take you through this all-new boat and show you what it has to offer. So starting here on the aft section of the boat, as you can see, we have a really great big sun pad and a nice large walkway to access the back of the boat here. And then underneath this hatch, we do have access to our batteries, our battery switches, our charging plug, and just a lot of great storage space underneath there. We also have 2 cup holders, USB-C charging system, and we have a fusion head unit remote control, so you can control the music and you never have to leave the back here if you're out sun tanning. So we'll start making our way inside of the boat. Another benefit to this large sun platform here is we do have a movable backrest, so really can open up the space and just give you more of a lounging opportunity there, or a nice upright backrest facing back or facing inside the cockpit, giving you a great social zone in here. As you can see, we've put teak tables in the cockpit and all the way up in the bow as well. So big L-shaped seating area. So right under here, we do have a massive storage area. You can throw all of your water sports toys, beach chairs, umbrellas, you name it, it's got space for it. So really great option. Here's the power folding sports tower. So not only can you do water sports off of it, you can also collapse the tower down to get it into low level bridges or into your storage area. But the bimini top does provide a great amount of sun coverage too, which is also removable pretty easily. So you can open this area up to all the sunlight if you'd like as well. The captain's helm chair here, it does slide, the backrest slides forward, giving you another seat here so you can join into the rest of the social zone here. Also, the side seat does slide forward as well, so giving you even more space back here. And then when you're ready to get underway, you can slide them back and you've got 2 great chair options here. There is a movable bolster as well, so for those of you who want to get a little bit higher of a view, you can pop that up and sit on top of it. And then we've got our helm station with twin Simrad 9-inch screens displaying all of your engine information and your charts. So this boat is equipped with the premium sound system, so you're going to get an extra speakers, a large subwoofer, and an extra amplifier. So located just behind the driver's helm here, we do have a large head and also lounging area. So there is cushions down there, so if you want to take a little break or have a place to get changed for dinner, or throw the kids down there so they can have a nice little nap, you have that option, which is really unique here on a 23-foot boat. You're getting something that was typically only on the 25 SDX, which I think is really cool. Over here on our passenger side, we do have the main fusion head unit, giving the passenger full control, and a little glove box here. And right under here is storage for both of the tables. So moving forward, we do have a wind dam here, so you can close off the back, keeping everybody nice and warm back there. And then moving forward, we've got a really great U-shaped seating area here with the teak table, really giving you a lot of space here to enjoy the bow of the boat and to have a nice little picnic up here. And then we've got a bow ladder storage and also anchor storage here. So if you pull up to the sandbar, you can flip the ladder out and have a great access point back on and off of the boat. All right, thanks for joining me on the walkthrough of this all new 2026 SDX 230 by Sea Ray. If you want to come and see this boat in person or some others like it, come on down to MarineMax Jupiter and ask for Aaron. Hopefully we'll see you guys out there on the water.
you.